We've compiled a list of 15 high-performance business machines that can help turn your efforts into a profitable venture. Also, a big thank you to everyone who comments on our videos. Your feedback means a lot. Now let's get started. 1. Nail and screw making machine. This machine efficiently produces high-quality nails and screws in various sizes, making it a great investment for both small and large-scale operations. By automating production, it reduces labor costs and boosts efficiency. The machine works by feeding wire into molds and rollers, shaping it into nails or screws with precision and speed. Price starts at $2,000, ideal for construction, automotive, and manufacturing industries. Advantages: produces a variety of nail and screw types with minimal waste. Making machine designed for high-quality paper cup production, this machine is perfect for cafes, food service businesses, and large-scale beverage manufacturers. It automates the process from paper rolls to finished cups, ensuring speed and consistency. Price: around $3,000, produces different cup sizes for various industries. Advantages: eco-friendly, energy efficient, and easy to operate. 3. Phone case printing machine. This machine allows you to print high-quality designs directly onto phone cases, making it ideal for custom merchandise businesses. It supports various materials like plastic, rubber, and silicone, while ensuring vibrant, long-lasting prints. Price starts at $3,000, uses perfect for personalized gifts, corporate branding, and retail businesses. Advantages: high productivity, user-friendly, and compact design. Coffee printing printer machine. Bring a creative touch to coffee shops and catering businesses with a machine that prints edible designs directly onto coffee foam. It can handle logos, images, and text, making drinks more visually appealing. Price: around $800. Uses: great for cafes, events, and personalized coffee art. Advantages: easy to operate, efficient, and enhances customer engagement. 5. Auto molder roller machine. This machine automates the shaping of ingredients into perfectly rounded balls, ensuring consistency in size and quality. Adjustable settings allow customization based on product requirements. Ideal for food production businesses. Advantages: ensures uniformity, speeds up production, and enhances product presentation. More powerful business machines to elevate your profits. 6. Auto molder ball rounder machine. This machine simplifies the process of shaping dough, meat, and other mixtures into perfectly round balls, making it an excellent choice for food production businesses. Uses: ideal for making dough balls, meatballs, and similar round-shaped foods. 7. Veneer debarking machine. This machine efficiently removes bark from logs, preparing them for veneer sheet production. It is perfect for woodworkers, furniture manufacturers, and timber businesses. Works with both softwood and hardwood logs. Advantages: speeds up processing, ensures smooth veneer production, and prevents contamination. Best for small workshops to large commercial timber operations. 8. Electric wood thicknesser. An essential tool for woodworking, this machine smooths and reduces the thickness of wooden planks, providing a uniform finish. Ideal for furniture making, cabinetry, and custom wood products. Advantages: processes large volumes quickly, offers adjustable thickness settings, and enhances product quality. Price starts at $300. Fridge magnet making machine. This machine allows you to create high-quality, personalized fridge magnets for promotional, souvenir, or gift purposes. Prints vibrant designs on magnet sheets, which can be cut into various shapes. Advantages: easy to operate, compact for home businesses, and supports multiple printing methods. Price starts at $300. Vegetable chopping machine. This machine is a must-have for food businesses, offering fast and efficient vegetable preparation for restaurants, catering services, and packaged food production. Advantages: saves time, reduces labor costs, and ensures uniform cuts. Best for high-volume kitchens, food factories, and meal prep services. Price starts at $300. 11. Non-woven fabric ribbon cutting machine. This machine precisely cuts non-woven fabric into ribbons, making it ideal for textiles, healthcare, and packaging industries. Produces ribbons for clothing, medical products, and decorative packaging. Advantages: high-speed operation, adjustable cutting settings, and clean, uniform cuts. Best for businesses needing large-scale fabric processing price. Starts at $700. 12th, rice nigiri sheet making machine. Designed for sushi production, this machine automates the process of forming uniform rice sheets, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Produces rice sheets for sushi bars, restaurants, and food factories. Advantages: saves labor, maintains quality, and speeds up production. Best for sushi businesses, catering services, and large-scale food suppliers. 13. Sock making machine. This machine is a great investment for those looking to enter the apparel industry, offering customizable sock production in various sizes, colors, and designs. Produces everyday, sports, and fashion socks. Advantages: works with different yarns, user-friendly for beginners, and supports custom designs. Best for small-scale apparel businesses and fashion entrepreneurs. 14. Portable carpet over-edging machine. This compact machine enhances carpet durability by overlocking the edges, preventing fraying and giving a professional finish. Works with various carpet materials, including wool, nylon, and polyester. Advantages: portable, easy to use, and allows for on-site services. Best for carpet manufacturers, repair services, and custom carpet businesses. 15. Automatic lollipop making machine. This fully automated machine handles the entire lollipop production process, from mixing and shaping to cooling and packaging. Produces lollipops in different shapes, colors, and flavors. Advantages: high-speed production, precise temperature control, and low labor costs. Best for candy manufacturers and entrepreneurs entering the confectionery market. Investing in the right business machines can significantly improve efficiency and profitability. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.